let's see how to create 1.5-inch margins in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to insert margins into our document. So what we can do is head on over to the Layout tab. Now click on Margins, and this drop-down list of the different preset margins should pop out. Now to set your custom margins, click on the bottom right here, Custom Margins, and that should allow you to set your desired margins. So for example, we want a 1.5-inch margin from all sides. So let's go ahead and type that in. And basically that will apply it to your document. And that is how you can create 1.5-inch margins in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.